Hi, I am Gulam Ali. Today we will discuss about the science. The topic is measurement unit and the concept. This topic is very familiar to SPSC. The science topic is very important for SPC, especially for town officer or newspaper officer. Now we discuss what are the measurement unit and their concept. Simple to study. Before the concept is that CGS, centimeter, gram, and the second before it is measured. Then after APC, the foot, pound, and the second. Then after MK system, meter, kilogram, and the second. The SI unit system is given by the French Academy of the Science 1791. Introduced system of the unit. Before there was no any kind of systems was. So for this there was a general conference. The general conference is on the weight and the measurement in 1960. This is also important thing in SPSC. Okay, now we discuss about these are the given the basic unit systems. The given 1960, these units are given the 7 basic units. Very much important for that. The say length we can measure with a meter. The mass we can measure with a kg. The time we can measure with a seconds. The temperature we can measure with a Kelvin. And electric current measure in the ampere. Most important questions of SPSC. It's also repeated many times as well as in CS's SPSC. The amount of substance of measured in the mole, and the intensity of light is measured by candela. Now we say simply that the quantity and the units are the given. So for this, the area we can say hectare or acres. Energy, the joule, the calories, kilowatts, electric voltage, HP, horse, BTU, foot, pound, and the energy. Now we say length and the distance we can measure with a meter, foot, yard, furlong, link, road, chain, mile, fathom, farmi, angstrom, nautical mile, and astronomical unit, and the light year. I am telling here is very much important that the light year is very important. Now we say this is a light year. Now we say this is a light year. The very important for that. And the second thing is this is the Fermi. This is also important. The given mostly in SPSC exam. This is also fathom. This is the 1, 2, 3. These are the very basic unit of length in the distance. Now we say this is the mass. We can say metric, tons, ton. The quintal, ounce, pound, stone, salad. These are very important. The mass can be measured, the pound system, and this is the pound, this is salad. These are very important. This is ounce. This is also important. For this mass is the given mostly in SPSC exam. Okay, this is the power and watt. Power is measured for what? The watt, kilowatt, horsepower. This is the power. Now we say this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but 6 are the given. Now see, number 6 is the pressure, the atmosphere, bar, tar, and the Pascal. This is very important also. The pressure, quantity that measured. This is not the unit. Tar is most important. This is Pascal, most important. This is bar, most important. And asks in SPSC exam, especially the volume can be gallon, liter, pint, barrel, acre, foot. This is also important. Volume, barrel, and pint. Now we say that this is the force. We say Newton, the dyne. This is also important. This is a repeated questions in SPSC. The force, the unit is dyne. This is magnetic flux density. Magnetic flux density. This is Gauss and the Tesla. This is a magnetic flux. There is a density, but there is not a density. This is Maxwell and the Weber. This is also question asked in SPSC. Magnetic flux. This is the Weber or Maxwell. Now with the electric candle. See, now say the Siemens and the mho. This is also important. MHO, 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 mho. This is the unit of that one. And this is the impure, also watt. Now we say these are the laws. Radioactivity. This is the most important ask the question in SPSC as well as another exam. This is the Curie, Rutherford, and the Becquerel. Okay. Now this is the last one. Is the 13. The radiations. The exhaust, joy, the rain, and the sewage and the rain. These are very much important for you, and especially CS's empathy means screening of the CS's. Okay, multiple choice questions are given, multiple base primarily test. Okay.